The F-16 fighter, a marvel of aviation engineering. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, often referred to as the F-16 fighter, stands as an enduring symbol of innovation and excellence in the world of aviation. This remarkable aircraft, conceived in the late 1960s, has not only proven its mettle over 4 decades of service, but continues to be a cornerstone of air forces around the globe. In this video, we will embark on a journey deep into the heart of the F-16, exploring its origins, the cutting-edge technology that powers it, its pivotal role in modern warfare, and the ongoing evolution that keeps it at the forefront of military aviation. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Genesis of the Fighting Falcon. The story of the F-16 begins with the U.S. Air Force's demand for an affordable, high-performance fighter to replace aging aircraft. We will delve into the circumstances that led to the F-16's creation and its development by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin. The key driving force behind the F-16's creation was the desire for a versatile, lightweight fighter that could excel in air superiority missions as well as ground attack roles. This marked the beginning of a journey that would result in the birth of a legendary aircraft, setting new standards in aviation engineering and combat capabilities. Design and aerodynamics. The design and aerodynamics of the F-16 fighter are instrumental in its exceptional performance. The aircraft's design features a distinctive delta wing and a single-engine configuration, which contribute significantly to its agility and maneuverability. The delta wing design, with its sharply swept leading edge, minimizes drag and enhances lift, allowing the F-16 to achieve high angles of attack and perform tight turns. The blended fuselage and wing design reduce radar cross-section, making the aircraft more difficult to detect by enemy radar systems. Furthermore, the F-16 incorporates features like leading-edge flaps and ailerons that automatically adjust to optimize performance during different flight conditions. These aerodynamic innovations enable the aircraft to excel in a wide range of missions, from air-to-air combat to ground attack, making it a true marvel of aviation engineering. The heart of the Falcon. Engine and propulsion. The heart of the Falcon lies in its powerful engine and propulsion system. The F-16 is typically equipped with a single Pratt & Whitney F100 or General Electric F110 turbofan engine, delivering immense thrust and speed. These engines provide the fighter with exceptional acceleration, reaching speeds well over Mach 2. This impressive propulsion system allows the F-16 to climb rapidly and sustain high-speed maneuvers, making it a dominant force in the skies. The F-16's engine technology has evolved over time, with advancements in efficiency and reliability, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of aerial combat capabilities. Avionics and Electronics Mastery. The F-16 fighter's avionics and electronics mastery exemplify cutting-edge technology. Equipped with advanced radar systems, sensors, and communication tools, it enjoys unmatched situational awareness. The radar system provides vital data for target acquisition and tracking, ensuring the pilot stays one step ahead in combat scenarios. Sensor fusion technology integrates data from various sources, empowering informed decision-making. Seamless communication with ground control and other aircraft is facilitated by robust systems. Furthermore, data link capabilities enable real-time information sharing. This mastery of avionics and electronics solidifies the F-16's reputation as a versatile and lethal platform, adapting seamlessly to diverse mission profiles, from air superiority to precision strikes. Arsenal of destruction. The F-16 fighter's reputation as a lethal arsenal of destruction is well-earned. This multirole aircraft can carry an extensive array of weaponry, ranging from air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM to air-to-ground munitions such as laser-guided bombs and cluster munitions. With the ability to adapt its payload to diverse mission profiles, the F-16 is a versatile force to be reckoned with. Its precision and firepower are further augmented by cutting-edge targeting and guidance systems, ensuring it can engage and neutralize a wide range of threats on the modern battlefield. The F-16's status as an arsenal of destruction underscores its crucial role in air forces worldwide. Human-machine interface. The F-16's human-machine interface is a pinnacle of design, ensuring pilot efficiency and control. With a heads-up display, HUD, providing essential flight data, multifunction displays, MFDs, for system control, and a hands-on throttle and stick, HOTAS, setup, the pilot can manage complex tasks with ease. Voice command systems further streamline operations, enabling quick responses during intense aerial combat. This sophisticated interface empowers pilots to leverage the full potential of the F-16's advanced avionics, making it a formidable force in the skies. The F-16 in modern warfare. The F-16 fighter has proven its mettle in modern warfare on numerous occasions. Its versatility shines in air-to-air combat, where its speed, agility, and advanced radar systems allow it to dominate the skies, securing air superiority. In ground support missions, the F-16's precision-guided munitions, such as JDAMs and laser-guided bombs, make it a formidable asset for targeting enemy positions and infrastructure with accuracy, reducing collateral damage. Its adaptability to various roles, coupled with a robust electronic warfare suite, ensures the F-16 remains a linchpin in modern military operations, contributing to the success of missions and the security of nations. Global reach. International partnerships. The F-16 fighter's global reach extends beyond U.S. borders through international partnerships. Several countries have adopted the F-16 as a key component of their air forces, fostering collaboration and strengthening global security. These partnerships involve not only the purchase of F-16s, but also joint training exercises, maintenance programs, and technology sharing. For instance, NATO allies have leveraged the F-16 to enhance collective defense. Such international cooperation underscores the fighter's adaptability and its ability to forge alliances, contributing to stability and defense worldwide while showcasing the enduring legacy of this remarkable aircraft. Maintenance and sustainment challenges. Maintaining and sustaining the F-16 fighter presents substantial challenges. The aging fleet demands continuous upgrades to incorporate modern technology while preserving airworthiness. This balancing act between innovation and cost efficiency is intricate. Sourcing and stocking spare parts for diverse variants is another logistical hurdle, ensuring readiness across the entire fleet. Extensive operational deployments necessitate rigorous maintenance schedules, straining resources. Cybersecurity is an emerging challenge, safeguarding against digital threats to the advanced avionics systems. Successfully addressing these challenges is pivotal to keeping the F-16 fleet combat-ready, maximizing its operational life, and ensuring it remains a formidable force in modern air warfare. Charting the future. Evolution and successors. Charting the future of the F-16 fighter involves a careful balance between evolution and the pursuit of potential successors. Upgrading existing variants with advanced avionics, stealth features, and improved engines is an ongoing effort to enhance performance and extend service life. The F-16V, for instance, showcases the aircraft's adaptability to modern challenges. Simultaneously, research and development efforts explore next-generation fighters that may eventually succeed the F-16. These successors could incorporate cutting-edge technologies like unmanned capabilities, advanced stealth, and more. Striking this balance between evolution and innovation ensures that the F-16 continues to play a pivotal role in the ever-changing landscape of aerial warfare. Conclusion. The F-16 fighter, the epitome of aviation engineering, transcends its status as a mere machine. It represents the indomitable human spirit of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of military aviation. As we conclude this extensive exploration of the F-16, we stand in awe of the engineering prowess that birthed and sustains this remarkable aircraft. In an ever-evolving world of aerial combat, the Fighting Falcon remains a symbol of excellence and a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.